handful of y'all to test me. Big fish should take a group of y'all to catch me. I draw quicker when it start getting sketchy. A bunch of them think they hard, just edgy. I put my heart in this, it's heavy, but my palms ain't sweaty. My feet stand steady, it's ugly, but I'm sharp like Freddy. This ain't a dream. They put on the mask in front the mask. I know it's steam to see how I'm working. Did it my way, then that's a thing of you. Shine a little harder when they mean mug you. I'm just getting started, but raising the bar. No sign of slowing down, I could race with Lamar.
Oh, mate, unreal. Look at it, right?
Are you excited?
Oh, mate, shit. Hey, am I excited?
We didn't sleep last night,
mate. No, I haven't slept in a week.
Here, let me take your stuff. We'll put it up here maybe with the boys.
All right,
and then,
thanks, mate. I'll leave the phone.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're capturing everything too, so we've got...
fantastic. Look at that, mate. Look at her. Wow.
I've got to control myself. I don't get too emotional.
Well, mate, yeah. Mate.
Let's go.
It's a one-off, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
What a ripper.
Definitely one of a kind, you know.
Mate.
And again, thank you for obviously trusting us with it. And
oh, mate, well, who else would you trust it with? I mean, really, I did my homework.
Yeah.
You know, so,
it's good.
So look at those seats in the back, would you? Hey, smoking. I want to have a look at the back, mate. Ah, look at that. First thing I'm going to do is sit in the back, mate. Look at that.
Now, for a good rate, I could be a chauffeur driver in Cairns.
You could be. And the carbon, look at that carbon, mate. Unreal.
And at night time, Mark, this thing lights up like a Christmas tree. It's amazing.
Look what you've done to the console, mate.
Yeah.
Look what you've done.
We even carboned underneath the console.
Have you?
When you lift the lid of the console lid there, yeah. There. Some space for some wine.
You guys are filthy. You really are. Mate, I won't have enough time to look at this.
Oh, you'll
I don't know if I want to drive
it for hours and just look at all the different components.
I know. Oh, you left that on. Good.
Are you ready for this?
Yes.
It's definitely something very unique.
Oh, you're kidding me. Wow. Mate, that is just unbelievable. Holy smoking macaroni.
I can explain there'll be nothing else near this level.
No way.
So, just one question. Yeah. When I target it...
Yeah. Well, it all goes in here. We've set it up.
Yeah.
There's a little wine container. It all sits in there, and obviously you can remove the bag.
We've got the glasses, but we've got for the bottom the bottle as well, and that's all timber and suede.
So and then when you pack it all in, you just take the duffel bag out.
All this can sit in your little pockets and stuff.
Oh, you guys are just too much.
We've got it all dialed in for you, mate. All of it's...
Obviously, I don't drive it around like this.
No, correct. Display purposes only. That's in the T's and C's that you signed.
Whoa. And all this stuff in the back here, mate. What's all this?
So full audio,
there's a whole... We'll go through the whole thing, but there's a lot to unpack, unfold. But the thing's basically a cinema inside when you listen to it. But I love that you've got a matching tie and the jacket.
Well, that's why I had all
100%.
intentions of doing that, mate.
Yeah.
Because I knew the colours and the black, you were talking about it. And it's just like, wow.
And that should be your get-up. You just need some racing gloves.
I got my boots on.
Yeah, ready
I got
to
my
go.
arms on.
Matching gloves. And then that's how you go and drive, man. It'd be cool as.
How's the paint, the wheels, you know? All
mate, it's just
restored,
magic.
colour matched.
What can I say, guys? It's just absolutely beautiful. And the sunroof, you got that sunroof going again.
That thing broke my spirit.
Oh, it would have. I saw you get bit by it. I saw you getting bit, you know.
It was months. Honestly, there was months where I was just stuck only on the sunroof. And I had so many different companies come and look, and we're trying to source parts, and it was just in really bad shape.
It would have been, because I think, because I wanted to leave it patinaed, but the work that was going to get done on the inside, I just thought, no, I couldn't do that.
Yes.
I just could not do that. So I had to go whole hog. You had to strip it because the sunroof was going to start leaking down through here. There was all sorts of crap going on.
And there's so much work. Like, you'll meet the team in a bit, but like, there's so many parties we got involved, you know, of the best of the best, to make sure that it gets done at that same level.
Well, I like a group photo with everyone.
Yeah, definitely. We want
a group photo. I'm going to...
We'll get your start.
Frame it. Oh, you got the remote start too, did you?
Yeah. Maybe might need Mark. No, hang on, unlock. We've got like a qualified engineer to do all this stuff.
Oh, mate,
so
I can't believe this.
Marky, it works.
Thanks, guys. Jeez.
Have a look in here. So all the lighting and everything It's even got, you know, a trim gauge. It's got everything on there.
Feel that.
Snug.
Oh, mate.
And this is the thing that blew the internet up, this dash cluster.
Yeah, that's the young bloke. I remember seeing
Every component of the lighting's been changed.
on
So
the-
yeah,
you know-
every single light, LED, everything's been changed.
Oh,
And then
have you?
even the all the illumination under here, we
look.
jerry rigged it to the original remote. So when you push this remote button
Oh,
here,
you guys.
it changes all the lighting sequence, and you can still take it out.
Oh, you guys are just too much. I was wondering what you're going to do with all that.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Oh, mate, this is just too much.
Good.
It's just unreal,
I might put all
mate.
these windows up because it might start raining again.
It's starting to rain, yeah.
The whole car's been ceramic coated as well.
Fuck, beautiful.
So it's and we had it even after paint, we had it fully blocked back, color corrected, and I could have kept going. It was getting to a point where sourcing parts was starting to become
Yeah, I
very
know,
difficult.
it's getting very
really hard. But it is a it's just such an improvement. We were looking through the photos when the car got dropped off. I was like, oh geez, I didn't realise how.
Still got him. It was pretty bad, wasn't
Yeah,
it? It was really bad. That seat was screwed, all the stitching was going across the back seats.
The hard part for me was that I think because it was a Queensland car, everything would just disintegrate when you start working on it. The plastics were so brittle.
Yeah, it was. It was. That's,
A lot of these parts, they're not the original parts. We've had to buy them again.
it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. That's why I got you guys to do all the body, everything on it, because I knew even if I could source the parts, they were going to fall apart again in a few years' time anyway. Start from scratch, do it again, do it properly, get the right people to do it.
Yeah.
And I think I found them. It's obviously I found them, isn't it? So,
Thanks, man.
no,
There's a lot of love. There's a lot of love.
There's a lot of love.
It went well beyond any
other job you
any
done.
business reason or anything like that. It was just, it got to a point where like, we're just doing this for Mark now. That's, you know.
Can't say enough, mate. I can't say enough. Thank you very, very,
No worries,
very
man.
much.
Josh did very well as well. He managed the whole thing. So.
Yeah, he did. He did.
I look at it when we had it here, and I was like, it looks like, you know, when the Holden ads came out, the brochure.
I've got all that in the car.
Do you
I got
really?
it all in the bag. I got all the gauges. I got all
you
the
were saying,
brochures
yeah.
with it. I got all that stuff to put back in the car.
We'll put it in the compendium.
Yeah.
We
that's the
remade
one.
you the compendium.
Yeah, that's dropped. I posted it down to you
Yeah.
guys. Can you do this too? Because that's the compendium. Was that what they call it?
The compendium.
That's what it
Has all the details.
has. All
and stuff.
everything in it. The certificates, the letters, all that sort of
yeah.
stuff. Got everything.
Can't ask for anything more.
Well, you know what I've been through in the last couple of years and stuff like that. So I wasn't going to hassle anyone, mate. I was just going to let it ride out how it was. It just gave me more time.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. I think that's the biggest thing was, this was just
And that's just
borderline
how
restoration. It's just restored as to how it should be. Yeah.
Apparently that car, when Dad picked it up, it had those Coulsons in the front, but he didn't like them because he couldn't get in and out too easy.
Okay.
So he's taken them back and they've changed the seats over.
Wow.
That's the story, yeah.
So we went back.
So we've gone back to
okay.
the original, and I thought, I might as well chuck some in the back because I've seen them in Commodores and stuff, but they look really tight up against the front seat.
Yeah.
And I thought, the Coulson's just going to be magic in the back of a Grange because you got that extra long range.
Well, that's all Sam. I was stuck. And Sam's 35 years doing the job, and I know when I have to
Put your hand up.
put my hand up.
Well, that's the main thing.
I
You don't
literally
know when
went,
to stop.
Sam, I need some help. And he's like, he looked at it and just went, yeah, no worries, mate. And within a day or two,
Yeah, it's all sorted.
sculpted everything. Fuck, I just went,
Well,
thank you so much, you know? So
Wow.
I just worry about looking after the client and the journey.
Oh, we're driving. I said to you, I said, what, we're going to your workshop? I said, yeah. Next minute, we're driving down the road. I thought, there's no way to the workshop. He drives in the driveway.
It was good, man. We thought that was the right thing. We thought just to set it right, to the right setting, you know? So
You've done well. You've excelled.
Let's have some food together.
let's have some
Inside,
grub.
gentlemen.
We'll take his things in.